Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I create stickers using my Cricut Explore Air 2. For reference, I'm using a cheat which allows me to use the full page for printing and cutting stickers. I'll leave a link in the description below for the video that helped me learn this trick, but I'll also describe my process as I go along. I'm using Procreate on my iPad to draw my sticker design. For the sticker outline, I used a hard airbrush in white. Next, I made an 8.5 by 11 inch canvas in Photoshop and placed copies of my design on the page. You can see there are white squares in each corner. This is so that when I place my stickers in the Cricut design space, they are the correct size. To make the squares, select the rectangle marquee tool and make a box by selecting fixed size at the top and make it 0.25 by 0.25 inches. Create a square, fill it in with white, and then select it with the Move tool by using V, and then press Ctrl A or Command A if you're on a Mac to select the square. Using the Align button at the top of the bar here, align the square to the top right. Now make 3 more squares and align them to each of the other corners. Once you are done, make sure the background layer is not visible and go ahead and save your page to PNG. I'm printing my page in Photoshop using the setting Glossy Photo Paper. Make sure borderless print is not on, as this can mess up your design. I'm using this inkjet self-adhesive vinyl paper I got from Amazon. If you're in the US, you can buy it for cheaper from photopaperdirect.com. I'll leave a link for it in the description below. Just a side note, I'm not sponsored by any of the products listed below. These are just what I use. My printer is a Canon Pixma Pro 100. It has great inks and my stickers always come out super vibrant. If you don't have a high quality inkjet printer, you can always use a laser printer, or you can get your stickers printed at local print shops or even at Staples. Next, I'm using Avery self-adhesive laminate to add a smooth coating to all of my stickers. To apply the laminate, peel off the top edge of the sheet and stick it to the top of your sticker page. I use a roller to smooth the sheet as I peel off the backing, but you can use any sort of plastic card. Make sure to go slowly so you don't get any air bubbles. This sticker paper is entirely waterproof and fade-proof, but I like to use these for extra security and because my inkjet printer tends to leave a bit of a sticky residue on the stickers. This is an extra step, but I like to run my page through a cold press laminating machine. Now you're going to put your stickers on your Cricut mat. I added some painter's tape to my mat and cut out an 8.5 by 11 inch rectangle using the sticky note setting. You can easily make a square in the Cricut design space. I'm using a bit of extra tape on the corners of my page since my Cricut mat is a bit old and not super tacky anymore. In the Cricut design space, open your saved PNG and select Complex Design. You're going to want to save this as a cut image since we already had the design printed out. Import your design into the workspace and make sure you resize it to 8.5 by 11 and have the X and Y axis both at 0. Now click Make It and select the paper type as photo paper. I choose this setting because the vinyl is very thick, especially after I've added a layer of clear laminate to it. You can change the blade pressure in the material settings. I put it at the max setting for this cut. Also, you want to make sure your other blade pressure is set to more. Load your mat into the Cricut machine and press the load button. Once you're ready to cut, press the Cricut button. Since my blade is a bit dull, it doesn't always cut entirely through the stickers, but that's okay. I use a penknife to cut out the little bits it missed. And that's it! You now have a bunch of really cute, waterproof stickers perfect for water bottles and even phones. I've even made bumper stickers for my car with this method, and they've held up perfectly. If you want to see a tutorial on that, feel free to leave a comment below. If you like my art, you can give me a follow on Instagram and Facebook at MoonEyesArt. And if this video helped you make stickers, please give it a thumbs up as it really helps my channel grow. If you'd like to purchase an I Am Trash raccoon sticker, I'm selling them on my Etsy shop, link in the description below. And thanks again so much for watching.